Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Intention. I'm Tracy and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to make a chicken thigh stuffed with asparagus and green onion, Negimaki style. So I have some ingredients here that I have 10 chicken thighs pounded out pretty thin, and I have my beautiful asparagus and green onion trimmed and washed to about 6 inches. And I have a tablespoon of the premium fish sauce, a tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, a tablespoon of the rice vinegar, and a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, olive oil of course, and some hoisin sauce. So that will be my sauce that I will marinate it in. So a couple tips. When you are pounding out your chicken thighs, make sure that you use some plastic wrap and don't get it tight. Let it be loose a little bit so that when you pound it with the smooth side, you have to pound it pretty hard, but you don't want to rip your plastic wrap every time you do it. So just a tip for when you're pounding those out pretty thin. And then of course you want to get these skewers so that you can, after they're done marinating and we assemble, then you can put them on the skewers and so they go onto the grill. Now with this, we're going to have a quinoa artichoke salad, which is in one of my very first videos that I put out. So if you don't have the recipe for that, remember always, I put the recipes in the description if you don't catch them while watching the video. So we're gonna put this sauce together and we're gonna let it marinate for an hour and then we're gonna put it on the grill. Our meat has marinated for an hour, and so now we're gonna take these bold flavored chicken thighs and wrap in the asparagus and the green onion, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, as in previous videos, I use the grill mat to grill on the barbecuer. So I'm going to take this chicken thigh and I'm put a piece of asparagus and a piece of onion, and I'm wrapping it as tightly as I can. And then I'm gonna take my skewer and go right through the middle of it and set it aside. And the same thing with this one, except for I wanna start at this odd end because I don't want it to be the danglers off of my roll. And then I'm just gonna put it through the same one, a little bit of spacing there, and the third one. So this just offers amazing, amazing flavor. Again, starting with the danglers so that we don't. Okay, now I'll just continue with the rest of them and show you how. Okay, I am ready to go on the grill. I have a very hot grill here. I don't need to spray it because I am loading the mats. Again, the mats offer so much ease of cleanup, which is so nice. So we're just gonna even those out a bit. Put these guys on. You might want to spread them out just a bit. Pull over this guy. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes per side. And then we're going to flip them. It's been 5 minutes. Let's take a peek. Oh, that looks lovely. I'm going to use the help of this. Oh, look at that. It's so, and it smells so good. Maybe I don't need the help of my spatula. looks so good. A little pressure here. Okay. We're going to let it go another 5 minutes. We'll come back. I believe our chicken stuffed Negimaki is ready. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it smells delicious. Look at that. I love the aromas. I love the presentation. Love everything about it. Beautiful. I'm going to use my spatula. Anyway, brought them out for 7 here. There we go. Here we have it. Chicken thighs stuffed with asparagus and green onion, Negimaki style. So delicious. And I've plated it with the artichoke quinoa salad that I made, and it is quite delicious and flavorful. With a couple of the strips of the chicken, and that equals 1 chicken thigh. So this is an amazing, delicious, flavorful, very flavorful meal. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy this delicious, amazing, flavorful meal that's packed with flavor as well as nutrition. And that was my intent for this week. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please like and subscribe and share my videos. That's very much appreciated. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm at cooking_with_intention. I hope you have a fabulous day, and until next time, please be well.